He's sucking up all our food! We need to stop him! But he's so big!
We need Captain Kid!
Captain Kid to the rescue! Give those back, Mr. Dodgy!
No way! These are my rainbow sandwiches now! Turbo speed, go! No, not the trunk button! Ah! There goes my knitting project.
You can't go anywhere if you can't see!